What's up, IT Ninjas? Today we're going to take a look at installing the enterprise license on your Dell iDrac management card. But before we dive in, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm always coming out with new content fixes and how-to guides that you're going to want to watch. Just takes a second, it really helps out the channel. The standard Express level license is the baseline included by default on most mid to high-end Dell PowerEdge servers, but if you want that virtual console with remote keyboard, video, mouse, and virtual media ISO mounting, you'll need to upgrade to the Enterprise license. I highly recommend the Enterprise license, and you can contact your Dell sales or reseller partner. You should receive a zip file containing an XML with your license configuration. If you haven't already done so, log into your iDrac remote access controller, click the Configuration tab, and click Licenses. You can expand the Status tab to view additional information. Under License Options, select Import. Click Choose File and navigate to the XML license file. Click Upload. You should see the green success noted. The license has imported successfully. At this time, you can navigate to the Virtual Console and confirm the feature is working. Thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Check out some of our other Dell server videos at the end of this guide or in the Dell server playlist. Let me know if this information was helpful installing your Dell iDrac license in the comments. See you in the next video, and let's ninja fix it.